today we found out that we are going to the farmer's market on Wednesday. So you drive, I look.
Okay.
So today we're going to Restaurant Depot and a few other places to get some ingredients and packaging for the Yummy Baked Goods. Where's our first stop? Not Goodwill. Going to Gordon Foods, see if they have anything. I'm gonna try and hold the camera more firm today. And I turned on the image stabilization.
Oh, that wasn't on?
Nope. What just happened?
I'm shocked by the photo. Oh.
We've got some goods. And now we're just kind of looking at stuff to make banana bread in. Yeah.
Is that too big?
Yeah.
The small one.
We got sugar, lots of eggs, and lots of other stuff. Butter. Ooh, the butter's still cold. So, Kevin is the best guy for this job because it doesn't matter that he has bad handwriting. So he can do this sign.
It's very true.
Except I see all these have 4 lines in between and this one only has 2.
Yeah, because this is like a different block.
I'm
Get
just
outta
messing.
here.
Just messing.
Get out of here.
Okay, I just got the first batch of cookies in the refrigerator chilling, and Kevin's moved on to a very important task. Lunch. Yummy. I just made a sign of things that I need to do. Yeah, I mean, oh, actually, does anybody else include things that they've already done on their to-do list? Hold on, I can't get this open. Yeah, I like to include things that I've already done on my to-do list, so it makes me look productive. So yeah, I just made the sugar cookie dough, so we'll check that off. Boom, done. And Kevin made a sign, which is going to go on our table. Yep. Let me show you something else that I've been up to this afternoon. I got on my KK's Cupcakes Facebook page, which if you're not following me on KK's Cupcakes on Facebook, you definitely should. But I went on here and I made, I don't even know if you'll be able to see it. I'm still getting used to the GoPro. But I made this post, which, exciting. And then, let me see if I can get to it. Aw, Drex, do you want some attention? A little attention. Okay, so I went onto my Facebook page and I made an event. So, load. You know, we got this new fast internet and I'm not seeing oh, it's here. I made an event. So I did farmer's market launch, which is my launch at the market, and I just invited everybody I knew from Florida. So I'm excited to see who shows up. I'm excited to maybe meet some new people, hopefully. It'd be cool to kind of connect with other people in the community, and also I'm excited to connect with other people who are vending at the farmers market. So, because you know, we all have something in common, which is a small business, and I'm really excited to just kind of meet some other people. It's not really something I'm usually good at, so I'm gonna try hard, meet some new people, maybe get some new friends, and yeah, I'm just really excited. This has kind of been this has been planned for a long time. I've wanted to do this for the past 2 years, and I'm just super excited that the time is finally here. So, yeah. Very grateful, and I'm just so ready. I have a long day of baking and decorating ahead of me, but it's gonna be so worth it. Christy, if you're watching this, I love the stand that you got me. Thank you so much. It's super convenient, and it has my name on it, and I really love it. So, thank you, Christy. Is Funfetti, which is my favorite, so that's why I'm starting out with it. But next week I think I'm going to ask everybody what flavor they would prefer. Cat likes it when we go to GFS. She likes boxes. Oh, she went underneath it. Oh. Kit Kat, you like that?
She looks scared, but she's really not scared.
It doesn't show anything. I wanted to test if I could double the bath with buttercream. Barely. It barely fit, and it made a big mess. So we're just gonna ignore the mess. Kevin's packaging cupcakes.
Pyramid.
And it's 9 o'clock, and almost everything's checked off. I just have to decorate cookies, make the muffins, and package everything. Can you not?
I think that's really cute.
Ooh. The mess that nobody ever sees. Made the large chocolate chip cookies, and these all need to be decorated. And these are gonna go in the oven soon. Alright, it's been pretty much a 14-hour day for us. So all of our cookies are here. The kitchen is kind of a mess, but I'm going to bed because I have to get up in 4 hours. No, 3 hours. Cookies here. More cookies. Then we have our muffins in here. Cupcakes in this. And the bread right here. I'm exhausted and I'm going to bed. But it was a good day, and I'm excited for the market tomorrow. Okay, it is Wednesday morning, the day of the farmer's market. It's 4:45 in the morning, and I have to go to work. So I work from 5 to 1 today, which is crazy because I only got like 2 hours of sleep last night. So got my coffee, and I will see you after work today.
All right, Kristen, so we are into hour almost 2. We've sold a good majority of our stuff.
Yeah.
How you feeling? First farmer's market.
I'm excited. I think that we've sold a little more than I thought, so
That's
we're
right.
gonna sell. And it's been fun.
And we passed out a lot of business cards.
And it's not hot anymore.
And it's not hot anymore. Awesome.
Yeah.
Have you given them the tour?
Yeah, and they saw the struggle of us putting the tent up.
Let me. This is the table. Pretty cool.
The cookies are so pretty in that tin.
Yeah, they do. The Tinno cookies wouldn't be complete without the sign.
It wouldn't be complete because you did it, or because...
That's nice. And you can see the rest of the farmers market.